Hi, and thanks for tuning in to Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we've got an exciting option for you, the multi-lift, shown for use to lift a person out of the passenger front seat of a Class A motorhome to the outside of the motorhome. The multi-lift, as you may know, is a personal transfer lift system designed around the unique concept that one lift can solve all of your lifting and transferring problems. So this same multi-lift that we're using today on this mount to get Bonnie outside of this Class A motorhome could also be used. It's portable. It's got a cordless battery there. So we can bring that to the back, use it to get into and out of the bedroom and the bathroom, in this particular case, with a single mount. But it doesn't stop there. The multi-lift can also be used to lift a wheelchair into and out of a pickup truck or a van. It can be used to lift a person. The same lift can be used to lift a person into and out of a swimming pool, into and out of a hot tub, in the bathroom at home, on a portable base. The possibilities are nearly endless, and they're limited only by your imagination and the ability of our team to work with you to identify your needs. So let's get going here. Bonnie wants to go out to dinner, so we're going to get out of this RV and have some fun. So you notice there's lots of joints here. Gives us a ton of flexibility as to where we can go and how we can do it. So our first step here is going to be to raise. You'll notice that the lift just kind of follows us in all the different joints. Just follow us right around. We do have to go over center here. This way. And then start to head downstairs. Once we're all the way down, we put the wheelchair in place. Disconnect the sling, and we are ready to go. The lift can now swing up. Now you can just leave it in place if you're parked, or you can disconnect it through these little pins right here. Remove, put it in the storage compartment, and you're ready to hit the road. Thank you so much for watching our video. Access Unlimited is 100% committed to offering you all the different options that life can offer. Travel where you want to go, do what you want to do with the product that's going to meet your needs and hopefully keep your budget to a minimum. If you'd like to find out more about our company, definitely like us on Facebook at facebook.com/accessun. We're on Twitter at accessun. You can find us on Instagram at accessunlimited. You can go to our website at www.accessunlimited.com to contact us. We have 2,700 plus videos of all kinds of things, including tons of RV options at our